Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and today we are serving sweet Italian sausage with peppers in the crock pot. First thing we're going to do is slice 2 peppers, whatever color you want, and 1 large onion. Okay, next we're going to place our sweet Italian sausage in the crock pot. Here is all my onions, and I chose those 2 colored bell peppers. And then I'm going to add in some oil, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. Okay, with this easy meal, I put my sausage in the crock pot. And now I'm just going to dump in my veggies. I'm going to break up those onions a little bit. Okay, and pouring in the oil. Pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, okay, turn your crock pot on low for 6 to 8 hours, or you could do high 3 to 4 hours. First thing I want to do is I kind of want to just, my hands are clean. I'm just going to go in there and do this. Once all these are cooking and it gets done, I am going to pull that sausage out and then dice them into like coins. Okay, be right back. Okay, also add 1 cup of either beef broth, vegetable, chicken broth. I decided I wanted to add some Bowtie noodles to this. But if you're like keto, stop right there. You've got it right there. And that's how easy that recipe is. But I'm feeling like I want some pasta in that. Okie dokie. So I took out the sausage and then I cut it in coins. Dump your sausage. Just set that to the side. All right, now just stir this all together. And then you're going to want to boil your favorite noodle. I felt a bow tie noodle would go good with this. And that's what I did. Boiled some bow tie. But I don't know if I want to use all of them and have too much noodle. So I'll just stir that in. Just a little bit, maybe just a little bit more. And I'll use the rest of this in another meal, probably with some seasoning, butter, and then use it as a side. But this is turning out really great. And then you just take a scoopful. And it's done. Okay, just a minute. I think it would taste great with some Parmesan cheese. Okay, little stir. Get it all mixed up. All right, so now I want to get some onion, some bell pepper, And, oh, perfect bite. I got some sausage in there too. This is crazy hot. And I'm just excited to taste it. All right, I'm going to step away from the camera for just a second. I'm going to leave that right there. Okay, this is different. I like it. It tastes really, really good. Okay, friends. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. And most of all, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.